Oh, no, that was mine going off.
Is it dying?
Oh no, it looks like it
Well,
ran the file size.
Oh.
So we're still good. We're back to recording now. It just needed to record another video. Alright, so these are the wishes, I think. Courtyard.
Can you take a photo of my dad?
Where to?
Back there.
Yeah.
Like the other one.
With your back?
Yeah.
Sure. Put your head up a little bit. Sorry, I just took a bunch. Sorry. I just kept hitting the button. 2 minutes, 1 minute. Did I get any?
That looks okay. Good.
Make a wish, everybody.
Nice ranch shadow.
Oh. Somebody lost their do-rag. My ceremonial do-rag. I can't pray without it. Oh man, my shoulder feels so much better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, true. All right. I'm just gonna talk to the camera for a sec. Talking to the camera. All right, what do we talk about today? Looks like this building is not available to the public, but it is very, very important that you know that all of the construction graphics include these cute little characters, and some of them are little kids, but most of them just look like construction people, but they've got these cute faces. Oh look, somebody gave their broken cigarette as an offering. Resist my urge to smoke that. Okay, so one thing that I didn't account for in a trip to Japan since the last time I was here is SNRI sweat. It is, if you didn't know, a commonly held stereotype that Westerners, white gaijins such as myself, are stinky people. Or at least stinkier than the locals. And honestly, I don't take offense to that because it's true. It's damn true, alright? We're a bunch of sweaty, problem here. And the SNRIs, as those of you who know me are aware, increases the problem to unconscionable degrees, especially at night. But on hot days such as this, I don't fare well either. And unlike all of you who know of my issues with SNRIs, the general populace of Japan just sees me as another sweaty gaijin, and that's totally fine, I guess. But gosh, it's awkward on subways, you know. A lot of trains, and the trains are very packed. You got to put your arms up if you want to not fall over. So, sweaty times on the train. I'm sure there are lots of sweaty people on the train, but I'm probably the sweatiest. I am nothing if not the sweatiest in the room. Oh, let's go under here. I just realized I was being really loud. That was probably super dumb of me. Hypomania plus the camera plus spiritual grounds. Probably awful idea. Let's go find Asia before I get into trouble. Woohoo! I just realized I was talking to myself very loudly. Oh my god, that's so good. Wow. Oh, and it even includes depth of field.
Yeah, I realized that when I took the first one because I'm like, oh, why is it blurry?
That's so cool. No, that's a great effect.
Yeah.
It actually really worked well in that last shot. The first two is kind of blurry.
Do you want any? I could take it down.
I'm good, you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, it's all gonna end up on our Google Photos anyway.
Yeah.
Let's take a little spin around here, perhaps.
Yeah. Gift shop after. Get some nuts.
Definitely. Is that even a question? Oh, man. I'll probably need a neck break at some point too. And there just happens to be a bench right here. Look at that. Okay, so another thing I should tell you about Japan is that there's a lot better stuff in terms of urban planning. You're going to see a lot more bathrooms, a lot more benches just sitting around and stuff. But one thing you will not find is garbages. So if you have garbage, you better have a bag for it or something. In spite of this place being remarkably clean, that seems to be mostly kept up by just, I don't know, social contracts perhaps? People just picking things up, taking things with them. But it's certainly not held up by garbages, I tell you that. I tell you what. Not a garbage can in sight. And as you all know, I am the pirate lord of garbage. Oh, this is nice. That would be a good photo. Okay, 1 second. We're taking a photo of Asia. Because there's this nice hole in the weeds that is framing her. Makes me wonder if I could just, like, poke my head through here. Alright, we're gonna try this. I'm gonna use this for support. Oh, my neck. Alright, Asia, look through the hole. Once you're done, I guess.
Bumblebee.
A bumblebee?
Yeah.
Oh. We found a bumblebee. Oh! Get really close to the bumblebee. They're just like ours. Wow, look at his haul. Sorry, I shouldn't assume that bumblebee's gender. I don't know which bumblebee does the collection. It's usually the females, isn't it?
I don't know.
Right here. You said him too. Now we are both on camera misgendering a bee, potentially. Oh, that's all, yeah, it's the pollen stash. They put it on their legs. They have all that fuzz that they stuff the pollen in, and it decrumbs and turns to gel. Okay, maybe just take a quick look in front of this. Oh, but there's like all this over here too. Did we see this? I don't think we saw this.
Gift shop, sit down, then go back this way?
Yeah, sure. Let me just get a good final shot. shot in the middle of this courtyard here. Turn the camera off. Alright. This is either goodbye or maybe just intermission. But I'm not taking the camera into the gift shop. That would be awkward. So, until soon, maybe next time.